Hello and welcome to Midi's Tech Circle. So it has been a while since my last video and I really apologize for that. I was really busy with my final exams and so on. But in today's video we want to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Tab S5e. So it will be a bit tricky because the camera field of view, so I'm recording with my Galaxy S9 Plus, won't be able to have this field of view to show you everything, but I will give my best. So as you can see, it is the Tab S5e, the black one, 64 gigs of internal storage, which you can expand with a micro SD card. You have 4 gigs of RAM. The main thing here is that the tab is so thin, so these are 5.5 millimeters, so that's nothing, and also really lightweight. So we can take a look here at the specs on the back of the box. So as I said, this is the 64 gigs version, the Wi-Fi version. We have a WQXGA Super AMOLED display, which will have an amazing resolution, so that's what you expect from Samsung. There are AMOLED panels. Then we have quad speaker sound by AKG, Dolby Atmos sound effect, a 64-bit octa-core processor, so this is the Snapdragon, I think 670. I don't want to say anything wrong, but I will I will speak about these things in my detailed review, which will come in about a week or in about 3 to 4 days, but I will make really many videos about the Tab S5e, so don't worry. We have a 7040 milliampere mAh battery, so this battery will last long enough, as I already heard from many other reviewers and YouTubers. We have a fingerprint sensor, adaptive fast charging. So let's get this baby open. So we have a seal to cut through here, and we have another seal on the bottom of the box. I really love unboxing these kind of things. Okay, but I'm not an expert. Boom, it's open up. All right, so just before we continue to unbox this, I also bought the book cover for the Galaxy Tab S5e with 2 viewing modes. So there are magnets, and you can put your tablet in a viewing mode if you are watching movies and so on. So this is really cool. But here, wow, we have the tab, and oh my gosh, I can already feel how lightweight this tablet really is, and damn it, wow, amazing. So we will take a look later at the actual device. Let's see what we have in the box here. So we have our wireless charging brick, which supports adaptive fast charging. Then we have, I think this will be our USB Type-C cable for charging the device and transferring some data. Then we have another box which I think includes things like booklets, we have an ejector tool, so this is not for SIM card. This isn't the LTE version. This will be to open up the slot for your micro SD, so it's included here in the box. And we have some paper to work, but the thing I want to show you here, is that we have a dongle. So Samsung is making jokes about the dongle on iPhones, but this tablet is, I think, so thin that they didn't have any space for a headphone jack. But in my opinion, this isn't really a deal breaker, because I mean, it's a tablet, and you can use this dongle for using your wired headphones, and the battery is lasting so long that the chance that you are empty or running out of battery and you need this dongle here is so low. I mean, it's not a phone, and phone is empty like after some hours if you are watching Netflix intensively, you know what I mean? So this isn't a problem, and I have the Galaxy Buds and other wireless headphones, so this isn't really a problem for me. But maybe for you, if you don't have wireless headphones, this will be could be a problem. But as I said, the battery will last long enough for you. So Okay, so how do we get this open? Okay, so here is a seal. I will open this up behind the camera, so I will tease you a bit. Just joking. And yeah, and there it is. Wow. This is the Galaxy Tab S5e, and wow, it is, I mean, it is so thin. Wow, I really didn't expect it to be this light, this thin. I mean, here you have your pogo pins for a keyboard. Wow, this tablet is amazing. I mean, really amazing tablet. Wow. So yeah, basically this is the Galaxy Tab S5e. I will try to show this better to you. All right. So I apologize for this bad unboxing, or yeah, the circumstances for this unboxing, but I hope I was able to give you a look what's inside the box. So yeah, it's hard to focus here because of the reflecting of the tablet. But yeah, it has really small bezels, and here you have a pogo pin adapter for connecting a keyboard and much more. And I can show you the back. This is an aluminum back. So here you can see that's the black version. There is a silver one and a gold one. We have our fingerprint reader over there. And we can see sound by AKG, Samsung logo over there. And this alloy finish is really amazing, well-built tablet. I will do a full review about this device, of course, and many other videos about it. So guys, consider to subscribe to this channel and leave a like. If you have any questions about the device, just ask them in the comment section below, and I hope to see you soon here. Stay tuned for more content related to the Galaxy Tab S5e. Bye everyone, and have a fantastic day. Let it go.